Good morning and namaste. I'm Dr. Prernaza. I'm third year resident of psychiatry, and today I'm going to say something about obsessive compulsive disorder, OCD, which is very commonly used by even common people. So what is OCD? As we all know, full form of OCD is obsessive compulsive disorder, and it is the fourth commonly diagnosed psychiatry illness in psychiatry after phobias and depression. So the mean age of obsessive compulsive disorder is 20 years of age, in which maximum people, we can say symptoms in maximum people, but in minimal percentage, around in 15%, the symptoms get started after 35 years, and also in younger age group, but the common age group is 20 to 25 years. So what is obsession and what is compulsion? Obsession is mental work, but the compulsion is the act. Means obsession means your mind tell you to wash your hand repeatedly, but compulsion is you go and wash your hand. Obsession र compulsion भनेको दिमागमा त्यही कुरा रिपिटेडली आइराख्ने, मैले चुक लगाएँ कि लगाइनँ, मेरो हात फोहोर छ, मैले हात धुनुपर्छ, मैले गएर धुनुपर्छ भनेर रिपिटेडली दिमागमा आउने. कम्पल्सन भनेको गएर चुक्कुल हेर्ने, गएर हात धुने. So there is difference. Now the clinical features of obsessive compulsive disorder is, it is categorized into the most common to least common. The most common is contamination, then pathological doubt, then intrusive thought, then symmetry, then other symptoms. So what is contamination? Contamination means you repeatedly get the thought that your hands are dirty. Your hands are contaminated with feces, urine and many other things, germs, etc. So you go and wash repeatedly. You can literally see the exfoliation of skin in hand of obsessive compulsive patient. You can see the dryness in hand, which is very commonly seen, and they usually go to dermatologist for that. And the second is the pathological doubt. In pathological doubt, they doubt about checking the door repeatedly, whether they have locked the door or not. It comes in their mind, and it lands up in compulsive act. They go and check it repeatedly. In intrusive thought, the repeatedly thoughts come in mind regarding the sexual act. In some cases, they even get the sexual desire towards their family members. But the difference between these and other things are, in obsessive compulsive disorder, the insight is present. Means he or she knows that no, it is wrong. This desire is wrong. Why it is coming in my mind? And they get so anxious that they come to psychiatry and they get treated. Then it comes the symmetry. Symmetry means when you are saving, the male, when they save, they take so much of time just to make this save. That is also one kind of OCD if it is affecting their socio-occupation. And even there is a kind of symmetrical obsession, like when you're watching TV, you like to watch in the even number sound. You don't like to like put the sound in odd number, like 1, 3. If it is in 5, then you change it into the 6 number. That is one kind of obsession also. And the last one is other symptoms. In other symptoms, there is a act like the masturbation, repeated masturbation. That is also one kind of obsessive compulsive disorder. Then there comes the trichotillomania, means repeatedly you pull off the hair, and you can literally see the broken hair in those kind of people. And then you try to prick the pimples you can't see the pimple all over your face. When it comes, you just like to squeeze it, which is very commonly seen in girls. It is also one kind of OCD. Those people are so much concerned about their flawless skin. So these are the symptoms of obsessive compulsive disorder. Now, what is the treatment? Treatment can be the medical treatment, again the desensitization, as I also explained in the anxiety disorder, and then it comes the deep stimulation therapy, and then there is also a operation if it is not done with the medication. The medication can be selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor, and then clonidine, and then benzodiazepine. Most of the people land over the anxiety. Around 65% of people gets anxiety in obsessive compulsive disorder, and also they get depression very soon, because of the their act. They feel ashamed to go in front of people, and then they like to stay in the they prefer loneliness, and they try to stay where they can't meet any people. So many people, they land over anxiety and depression also. So we have to treat accordingly. And there is also a behavior therapy called flooding. In flooding, you have to face those things. You have to convince that no, it is not stool, it is not urine, or it is not germs that I am touching. And you have to take help of medication also. With times, it does get improved. Thank you.